Hey, come to me, boys. Come to me. Wait, everyone.
Labas
Careful over the wall, okay? Careful over the wall. Come to me, come now.
It's southwest.
Nag-OC hindi.
Hindi.
Okay, only food. Ang ina,
yung southwest now.
ready, shallow, wait. OC na, OC.
One hand
Ready?
maze and
Ready.
Shallow, ready, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Lit. Come back, kite now, boys. Kite now. Oh, take CD. Just kite. Down the hill. Go down, just go. No, northwest. Okay, go there. Ready. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. No. Oh my fucking god. Okay, come back. North. Go north. Everybody go north. Everybody go north. Everybody go north. Go north. No. Wait. Still not looking. Wait. Okay, dip. Ready? Everyone ready?
ready.
Okay, in shot now, ready. Wait, the tank inside. Ready, wait, just hold. The tank inside of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him now. Kill him. Kiss double. Okay, come back. Come back. It's okay. Come back. Take the hold, come back. Come back. Ready?
Ready run per second. 5.
Ang ina, natatai ako, gago.
oh my
Come.
Okay, good.
Ready, sir.
Ready.
Updale, boys. Asan sila?
Atira.
Southwest ang outpost.
Okay, boys, ready, shallow. Wait. After J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guy. Kill him. One more. Pew. Okay, come back. It's okay. Come back.
Naglalag po yan,
Dep the front. Okay, kite. Everyone kite.
Nice pa.
Kite northwest here. Kite northwest here.
Ready.
Ready? Okay, shot again.
Ready.
Come. Ready, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill him. Okay, come back. Come back.
Oy, Mike.
Mike, please. Kite. Careful over the wall.
JJ, Mike.
Jacket 5.
Careful over the wall, bro.
Careful over the wall.
It's fine. There's nothing on the outpost.
3 seconds.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Ready.
It's okay. Wait. Oh, wait, they kiting or what?
Are they leaving? What's up?
Saan sila papunta, gago?
Northwest sila.
Wait, they run?
Ay, catching.
They run?
Running.
I think they're running.
Yeah, they're running.
He's dead.
Hey, kill the fragile heart. After his boots.
They dismounted pa isa.
Kill him.
Ready.
Okay, come back. It's okay. Come back. Kiting southwest. Where we came from? Come back.
North.
Take CD.
Don't leave
Ready?
6.
Ready.
Disengage.
Hey, they engaged.
Ready? Everyone ready?
Ready.
Okay, in shop. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Fragile heart. Kill him? Can we kill him?
Think cannot.
Hey, he is demon, bro.
What the fuck, demon?
Okay, come back.
Jacket golden.
Come back.
3 seconds.
Come back southwest where we came from. They're gonna engage soon.
Ready.
Ready, wait. They're gonna engage.
Hodge is looking, the Hodge inside.
Okay, ready, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Hodge guy. On me. Oh my god, come back. Defend. And kite back. Everyone kite back.
Okay nila mo, nag-easy pa ako.
Kite back. Hey, hold there. I think you're good. Do nothing you do.
Uy pa ako, nag-easy ako po.
Okay, wait, Fossy. Lamang pa DC kayo sa laro mo. Wait, We wait, Fossy. We hold there.
May nag-loop ng ano natin, Derek. I mean,
Nice.
Kuya po yan, si Mister.
Ako yan ako. 7M.
Okay. Hold, boys.
Meron.
Niga, come back, Niga.
Careful.
Okay nyo na yan, na-disconnect talaga.
It's okay.
Relax. It's all.
It's okay.
Boys, can you come to me, boys? My DPS. Look at me. TPS, ready.
Over.
Over the wall, 5, 4, 3, after J, 2, 1, on the J now,
Adjig.
Let's right.
GA, it's okay,
May cleric.
Cleric.
Come back.
Go, nyok.
You wait for C, take CD. Kasi ano,
Naglalagin pa ako, boss. Disconnect.
Ay, gago! OC na ba?
Ready.
na, kanina pa.
Sorry, sir.
We hold. I can, no, we can take the outpost. Post the outside.
Pwede.
Pwede ko ba siya hilahin?
Pwede.
Huwag na, mahirap ako magpalit.
Ito.
DC.
Okay, we go inside the outpost, we flip the outpost, come.
Lalapit yan eh.
Kill the pig, kill the boar. Ay,
Tangin ng puno
Utang
talaga.
inang yan ng puno yan.
dinosaur.
Sa gilid.
Pinot ba nila yan?
Oh my god, fuck this tree, bro.
Ang ganda niyang ano.
Nautang din ako kanina
Hindi
dyan.
kami.
W's only, use ang W's.
Northeast side sila.
Okay, they have here.
Rotating
Coming,
southeast side.
coming.
Okay, ready boys, ready.
Nice one, you can-
Over the wall, ready. Wait. Ready over the wall. Over the wall, wait. Oh, no.
Malayo.
It's okay.
Southeast sa one screen.
I don't think it's good here, bro.
It's okay, Niga. You can just go out.
Southside na sila.
Yeah.
Pwede mo bang i-mark tong one hand base gear?
Wait, ayun ba yung ano nila?
Oh, yan yung engage.
Okay, shallow boys, ready. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano yun?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, I got bro.
Okay, try to fill outside boys, outside. Outside and northwest. Hey, don't go to the tree, bro. Fuck that stupid tree. You ready? Everyone ready?
It's fine.
Okay.
Oh, they get shallow.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. It's big. Finish it. Okay, come back.
Oh my god, fuck, bro.
Almost died, sir.
Jacket cool down.
Come back. Northwest. Kite northwest. Go northwest. Everybody go northwest.
Let's go to the tree, please.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, in shop again. Careful over the wall, okay?
Careful of the tree, boys.
Fuck this tree, bro.
Shallow
Go
again.
to the
5,
top of the
4,
just
3,
bottom.
2, 1. Shallow. Fuck, I didn't catch him. Come back.
Nice.
Just go to here. On the water bridge, Iniga. On the water bridge.
They clear
They're flipping the outpost.
They're looting.
Okay. Mama, Def Tank, go. Stay on southwest gate. My DPS come southeast.
Okay.
Maybe some healers.
5 seconds.
Ready? Everyone ready?
Ready.
Okay, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Fuck, I didn't catch them, bro. Come back. It's okay. Take CD again. Hey, Def Tanks, come back. Out, Def Tank. Hey, Def. Hey, come to us. Come to me. Kiting. You ready?
Not yet. Shoot.
5 seconds.
I'm ready.
Ready.
Kill this guy, bro. Use ang doubles inside. Ready? Everyone ready? Okay, side way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Kill it. Fucking cleric. Come back again. Take the cold. On the water bridge now. On the water bridge. Come back. Tell me CD, okay? On the water bridge. Ready? Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kill him. Hey, can you kill him? The Hodge, kill him. Can you kill him? They still have no CD. Kill him. Oh no, he cleric. Come back to the water bridge. Come back to the water bridge. Everyone, water bridge. Run to the water bridge.
Tanks. Come back, tanks.
We good? Ready?
Ready.
Okay, shallow again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the fucking Inferno. Oh, no. Come back.
Mana, bro. Imagine, no mana.
Ay. Come back. Hey, dep the shock. Very nice defensive.
May jacket cool down.
Ready.
5.
Okay, in.
Fuzzy.
Ready.
Think they're pulling us in again.
Okay. On this left tank, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking Niga jump, bro. Come back.
Niga, you need to come
I'm taking.
What?
May jacket.
Try to come closer with the nigga you want to engage.
No. Yeah, I'm close,
He
but
jump?
he jump.
Ah, okay.
Come back, boys.
Now they kiting, bro, not us.
Come back. Okay, then we force them, Niga.
Alright. I can bait if you want. I won't die.
Wait. Shallow, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guy. Nice one! Come back. On the water bridge again. Water bridge.
We kill it now.
Everybody, water bridge. Tell me CD now.
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, ready, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. It's big. Kill it. Oh my fucking god. Come back to the water bridge. They still have that. They still can engage.
Yeah, this is that.
Come back. Water bridge. Take the water bridge.
Dodge engage. They're engaging.
Hill front. Very nice. Ready, DPS, ready?
5 seconds.
Okay, find me now. DPS, you find me now, Niga.
Find me, Niga.
3, 2, 1. On me now. No.
Tingis
Give me.
na.
Okay, come back. Water bridge.
Medyo spread sila.
Water bridge. You good. Go to the water bridge. You good.
Can you please this guy?
You good. Go. Still move. Go move. Ready?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
They engage. Ready?
Ready now.
5, 4, 3. Okay, got you. Wait. On this net, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him. Oh, fuck, I didn't catch him. Come back. My bad.
Holy shit, this is bad.
Looking out.
No, you good. They can. Just kite, boys. Kite. Northwest. Go northwest. Kiting. They're gonna hit the shock. Careful on the shock, okay? Kite, move, boys.
Ready.
5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Ready inside. This guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him now. Cleric, okay. Come back. All reaching up. Kiting. Keep kiting. Just kite. You good. Nice bedrock.
Onso.
Kill this guy. Hey, they engage shallow. Ready? Okay, this left tank in the side. The left tank side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the silence. Kill him now. Back. Kite back. It's okay.
Careful, GA. East.
Kite back. Just kite. Just move. Keep moving northwest, boys. Keep moving northwest. They're gonna engage shallow again, I think. Careful. Just use W's while you kiting, bro. You can do while kiting. Ready? Ready. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. No. Kill him. Okay, kiting again. Keep moving.
Okay, you need to paddle up. They already surrounding you guys.
Keep moving. You can Qs and W's inside, bro, while you kiting. Qs and W's inside. Punish these niggas inside. Ready? You ready? We gonna kill all the people
3
inside.
seconds.
No. 3 seconds.
Wait. Hold this. Hey, come back.
2 seconds.
Kite. Just kiting. It's okay. Kite.
Nice GA though.
We good. Kiting. Just move. Keep kiting, boys. Don't dismount him, nigga. Move.
The death tank, don't dismount. Killian who death tank. Ignore.
Putang ina, pindot ko.
Puta na, hindi po.
Gago.
Demon for what, sir?
Yeah, we got now.
We did.
Hey, just keep moving, boys. Don't come back.
We're good. They holding.
Holding?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Yeah. They have friends right now.
Oh, they coming.
They're coming.
Okay, wait. Go north. Go north now. North.
Kailangan natin ng choke, nigga. Ayun, no, water bridge. I wouldn't. Pwede siguro.
Go north. Careful shallow, okay? Come north. Move. No. Come east now. You go east now. East. Careful over the wall. Oh no, they're using one-hand base.
Pull down pa ba, Jay?
Okay. We come here. After we engage, we go on the fucking...
Demount up.
No way they gonna run, sir. Catch.
Release one.
Okay, come back.
Fucking
Big.
They play like moron, bro.
Hey.
They play like rotten mushroom.
Hey, this Xiao Li, if he play aggressive, I'm gonna pull him. We're gonna bait his clerical, okay?
So just fake.
Okay. Oh, no. Yeah, just fake pull. Maybe if he...
Yeah, Dracula is looking at the beside. Be careful. Like your
These people with clericals. That's fake. That's a fake.
Yes, that's a fake.
Okay, ready, everyone?
Ready.
Ready. Wait. We're gonna bait the cleric first, okay? Cleric, only the cleric. Let him cleric. Fuck, you didn't hit him.
Anjing!
Careful, someone might flank, okay?
Yeah, they're gonna do real.
Hold on for you.
Okay, bait is clerical. Oh, nice cleric after the cleric. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the cleric, you hit him now. Okay, no damage. Come back.
Itigay at jigpot.
Catch. I mean, no.
Bridge, no.
Kite, water bridge. Kiting, sir. Tell me CD.
Ready.
Ready, okay. Look back.
Oh, shallow.
Look back now, ready. Look back, ready. Shallow. On this fucking Toma, ready. After this Knight Armor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him now.
Ay, na you
Fuck, he jump, bro. Come back. Come back, boys. No one gonna die here. Take CD.
Wala sila pang over the wall.
Ready?
5 seconds.
1 seconds.
Ready. 3 seconds. Ready.
Ready.
Okay.
No, ready now.
Shallow, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Condition. Nice one. Come back again. Okay, dep. Nice, Jay. Come back. Pass through the bridge. Pass through the bridge.
Oh my god, what a payroll.
Pass through the bridge. Okay, come. Ancient, boys. Come. Ready? Everyone ready? Ready? Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Jump again, bro. Come back. Take CD.
The fuck is that
Ano
jump?
dyan?
So fast CD.
Fuck that Royal shoe, bro.
Royal Suspect, bro.
Stupid nigga shit. Come, okay.
Jumping.
They're kiting.
Jumpy.
Dira?
No. Come. I think you can. No.
Refixing you now,
Okay. This guy, not number 31, Alex Bon. Can we kill him? Can you look at him, Red? No. He used W. Ready, on this healer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This healer on the fucking... Oh my god. Run again. Northeast. Caller at the west. He's still at the back.
Oh my god.
Careful. Still at the back. Ay, kiss na damage side. Ready? Boys, ready?
Ready. No, not yet.
Ready?
They engage.
Okay, ready? Okay, ancient. Ready? Everyone ready?
Ready.
Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Fragile heart. Kill him, please. Kill him. I want him dead. Can you kill him? Okay, come back. We can. Come back again. Fucking I got trapped. Hey, delay. They're gonna look soon. Caller inside of you. Come back on the shock. Heal. They're gonna look now. Coral kinda looking now. Careful, sir. Careful. Okay, ready? Hello, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit me.
Silence.
This guy behind us.
This guy. After this cleric, kill him. Kill him. Okay, nice. Kite, northwest. Go northwest. Cleanse. Down the hill. Careful, they're gonna look at the fucking bridge. Ready? Ready? On me now, ready. 5,
We got
3, 2, 1. On me now. Delete the shallow. Okay, come back to the bridge again. Come back to the bridge.
Reset, bro.
Fuck. No one dying, right? No one gonna die in this.
GG, bro.
No one gonna die in this content, okay? No one gonna die. Come.
Let's go. They're kiting.
We're ready.
Careful, walkie west, okay? North west.
Anjing.
Oh, is that real walkie-walkie? What the fuck? I think that's why they're pulling us there. Because of the walkie-walkie, bro.
Wait, why they call them
Can we kill the mobs here? This one? This guy can stand you like 3 years, bro.
Bro, don't
You get
Hello,
stuck there,
Rengta.
good night.
This fragile heart, can we try to kill him? If we go close,
GA on the south nila.
we playing.
One omen kami.
Or-
Huwag magalala.
They're playing spread now.
Yeah, I can bait engage.
This Toma guy keeping his distance, bro. You know what gonna happen?
Nasa frontline.
Yeah, cleric. Oh, solid cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano yung kill. Oh my god, come back, nigga. Caller inside of you, bump him. Send him back to Martlak, nigga. Nice one. Careful,
Oh my God, I fucked up, I fucked up.
careful shallow. Mana dyan. Ready, counter, 5, 4, shallow, 3, 2, 1, on me now. Delete me. Oh my fuck.
Oh my god.
Yeah, good catch.
No, kite. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Kite back. I buy time for you. Kite back. If you need to pass,
Ready.
Oh,
Caller
go.
inside.
all side is two.
Q,
Ready to
Q.
Hey, QSW sim, bro. What he's doing, bro? He's doing suicide. Kill him now, bro. Kill him, bro. Kill him. Dep, front.
Wow.
Ready, shallow. 5, 4. After the J, everyone. After the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the fucking J now. Oh my fucking god. Kill him. Back.
Carving.
Just KW him.
Kill him. What the dog doing?
Wala.
Ay, he's back.
Ready.
Kill him. Just stabilize. Okay, come back. Hey, why you drop Esa there, hey? Why you running?
Oh, may bad, sir.
You running already?
They're running or what?
Wait, no,
Running, bro.
Not yet or running? No.
Hey, mount. They running or no? Pong.
They're running.
Mount na?
My God.
Dalit them out.
Yeah, good fight.
Yeah,
Careful.
Wag mong pag-mark.
Hey, anyone still not mounted? Hey, catch the... Hey, they still here. Dismount at the back.
Niga, this
Ay,
ready.
this one.
They can still clap here.
Hindi sila mama.
I think...
They still
Yeah,
have
run.
the coach or something, right?
Don't let them mount. GA, catch GA.
Wait.
Nah, I think they're just pulling us here. They're looking
Oh
now.
yeah, they're looking now, bro.
Masyado sila spread.
Okay, come back northwest, boys. Northwest. Don't know what this caller doing, sir. Kiss and W.
Yes. Auto hit him.
Kill this guy.
Come up the hill, boys. Up the hill. You're too much clumped there.
Yeah,
Gonna get
I
fucked.
think they got their riggers, maybe.
Ready? Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Okay, come back up the hill. Where we came from? Northeast again. Here. Northeast. Northeast. Hey, keep some W again, bro. Keep some W again. He's alone. Ready CD.
Ready.
Fuck,
Ready?
wait, no stop.
Shallow on me. 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2,
Oh my
1.
God.
On me now. No.
It's okay, Kumpai, I'm looking.
Okay, come back again.
It's fine,
On the water
fine.
bridge. The water bridge again.
Fuck, I'm
You
late.
can pass through, bro. Anjing.
I don't know, hold on, bro.
Ready? Ready?
No.
5.
Just watch CD. Okay, come. Inch.
Ready now.
Ready now.
I catch the
Ready?
hodge.
Ready?
Ready.
I have clerical, bro. Fuck. I think we can
Tara,
kill the
7
caller.
minutes sauce, yeah.
Ready? Everyone ready?
Ready.
Wait.
Something your back.
In shop. My DPS in shop.
There's walkie-walkie on your southwest. Be careful.
On me now, ready? Wait. Just ready.
One shot west mo,
On
pero.
the hill.
Sige.
Can we actually? Oh my God. Hey.
On me now, ready? Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Okay, come back.
Oh my God. Walkie hit them.
Hey, this one Cho guy again, bro. Can you brawl this guy? Brawl him, bro. Fucking nigga. Careful, come back. Kiting again. Kiting, boys. Kiting. Kiting,
Ready.
ready? Take the east side. Everybody, my defense, take the east side. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Oh my god. After the cleric, can we kill them? Oh, no. Kite. On the water bridge again. On the water bridge. Send the caller back to China, bro. Water bridge. Everybody go to the water bridge. Water bridge. Water bridge. Water bridge. You send W's to side, bro. You send W's. You send W's while you fighting, bro.
I'm king.
This guy, bro.
Kill this guy, bro. Kill this guy, bro.
I kill this guy. Can we kill this? I'm king. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him now. Kill him now. Stupid nigger. After the cleric. We kill him. After the cleric. We don't give a fuck. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him, nigga. Kill him. Fuck
Nice
you.
one.
Sleep.
They got hit by walkie-walkie, bro.
Take CD. Take CD.
Hit him on na?
Do you want top?
What the fuck? No, some of them still at the southwest. Catch the people. Okay. Okay, we chill. I think we need to red OC here, bro. No, still 4 minutes. Ready? Ready, shallow me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big. Oh my fucking god! Okay, kite back. So Charlie, he's not gonna get help. I think we can observe. Everyone have bots? Can we observe and engage?
I cannot.
We can finish it. Okay, we play like dogs. Stuck like a dogs and push them. Stuck like a dogs and fucking push them, bro. Go.
Anyways.
Ay, kaya attack clear.
Come. I think they're running, bro. I think they're running. No cap. Ready, everyone? Ready? Everyone ready?
You're too far, bro.
Yeah, I think we're too far.
1D tank.
Behind
After the cleric of this guy, ready? 5, 4, 3,
Return.
kill him. Okay, look at my stop them at the fucking nigga. This nigga not even engaging, bro. Just wait. Looking. Just bro, we gonna engage. Engage.
Miss.
Ready? Everyone ready? Ready. On me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Fuck, I didn't catch anyone. Just W's. Respect, bro. No. Southeast. Southeast. Heal. Hey, can you kill this guy? After his cleric, kill him. The healer. The healer inside, bro. He doesn't have teammate here. Kill him. No teammates. He doesn't have teammate here. Kill him.